Intro. Welcome back to our channel. Maintaining independence, staying active, and navigating the world with complete confidence are essential components of healthy aging. If you or a loved one are experiencing challenges with balance, recovering from an injury, or simply finding that long walks are becoming increasingly tiring, a high-quality rollator walker can be a complete game changer. Unlike traditional walkers that require you to lift the frame with every step, rollators feature smooth rolling wheels, advanced handbrakes, and built-in seats that allow you to rest whenever and wherever you need to. In this script, we are counting down the top 5 best rollator walkers for seniors, exploring the cutting-edge safety features, lightweight materials, and ergonomic designs that are redefining mobility. Let's count them down. 5. Medline Empower Folding Mobility Rollator. We look at a powerhouse of adaptability and user comfort, the Medline Empower Folding Mobility Rollator. When seniors look for a rolling companion, they often face a major dilemma: choosing between a model that is easy to lift or one that is heavy-duty enough to provide true, unyielding stability. Medline elegantly solves this issue by engineering a highly versatile, feature-rich frame that balances daily structural durability with user-centric convenience. It stands out in the crowded market because it treats comfort not as an afterthought, but as a core requirement for maintaining independence. This model is specifically built for those who want a premium, customizable experience without a staggering price tag, making it an excellent baseline for modern engineering. What sets the Medline Empower apart from its standard competitors is its incredible array of adjustable touchpoints. The most notable feature is its flip-up thick padded seat, which can be adjusted to different height levels to accommodate both shorter and taller users seamlessly. Underneath that ultra-comfortable seat, you will find a spacious, removable storage basket that allows seniors to carry groceries, personal belongings, or medical necessities securely without compromising the balance of the unit. The handles feature an ergonomic grip designed to minimize pressure on arthritic hands, and the loop-style brakes are incredibly intuitive, requiring very little physical strength to squeeze and lock into place when a user needs to sit down. Safety is paramount when it comes to mobility aids, and the Medline Empower delivers this through its robust, brightly accented adjustment points. The yellow touch points make it incredibly easy for individuals with low vision to identify exactly how to change the handle height, lift the seat, or fold the frame. It rolls smoothly on large, flat-free wheels that handle indoor tile, low-pile carpets, and standard outdoor concrete sidewalks with absolute grace. When it is time to pack things up for a family trip or a doctor's visit, the rollator folds completely flat with a simple, one-handed pull mechanism, allowing it to fit into the trunk or back seat of almost any standard vehicle. Ultimately, the Medline Empower is chosen by seniors who prioritize a highly cushioned resting experience and comprehensive built-in accessories. It is a reliable, sturdy, and comforting piece of equipment that handles the transitions between walking and resting better than almost anything else in its class. Weighing in a bit heavier than minimalist travel models, it trades that slight weight disadvantage for immense stability, ensuring that when you sit down, you feel completely anchored. For individuals looking to maintain an active lifestyle around their neighborhood or inside local shopping centers, this rollator provides the peace of mind needed to step out of the house with absolute confidence. 4. Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Rollator. We encounter a masterclass in modern European styling and advanced safety innovation, the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Rollator. For years, the traditional Nitro line has been a favorite among seniors who refuse to sacrifice style for utility, but the new Sprint edition takes that legacy to an entirely new level. This model is engineered with a sleek, Euro-style automotive design that hides all the brake cables inside the lightweight aluminum frame. This is not just a cosmetic upgrade. Enclosing the cables entirely eliminates the frustrating hazard of catching wires on doorknobs, furniture, or bushes while walking, making it one of the safest options available for both tight indoor environments and bustling outdoor areas. The core philosophy behind the Nitro Sprint is effortless maneuverability combined with enhanced control. It features an upgraded, advanced braking system that utilizes a highly responsive internal mechanism, allowing seniors with limited hand strength to stop the rollator instantly with a gentle squeeze. Additionally, the contour of the backrest has been widened and deeply padded, offering exceptional lumbar support when utilizing the integrated seat. The handle height adjusts effortlessly with a simple push-button system, ensuring that users can maintain an upright, ergonomically correct posture that relieves unnecessary strain on the lower back, shoulders, and wrists during extended walks. Terrain handling is where the Nitro Sprint truly shines, thanks to its large 8-inch front wheels and a specially engineered frame geometry. The front wheels are positioned to provide an exceptional turning radius, allowing seniors to navigate sharp corners in narrow hallways or grocery store aisles with minimal effort. The frame also incorporates a built-in curb assist pedal near the rear wheels, which allows users to safely tilt the front of the rollator over small bumps, thresholds, or curbs without having to physically lift the entire unit. This small engineering touch dramatically increases independence by reducing the physical exertion required to tackle uneven urban sidewalks. When the day is done, the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint showcases its brilliant side-to-side folding mechanism. By simply pulling up on the seat handle with one hand, the rollator collapses laterally into an ultra-slim profile that stands upright on its own. This unique folding style means it takes up a fraction of the space in a hallway closet or next to a table at a restaurant, eliminating the awkwardness of a bulky walker falling over in public. It beautifully marries sophisticated aesthetics with rugged functionality, making it the premier choice for seniors who want a sleek, modern, and highly dependable mobility partner for their active daily journeys. 3. Rollz Motion Performance, Rollator and Wheelchair Combo. We find an incredible engineering marvel that offers the ultimate flexibility for changing mobility needs, the Rollz Motion Performance. This premium device is not just a rolling walker, it is an all-terrain, hybrid 2-in-1 rollator and transport wheelchair combined into a single, cohesive unit. Many seniors find themselves in a position where they want to walk as much as possible for exercise, but lack the stamina to sustain long distances during family vacations, museum visits, or outdoor festivals. The Rollz Motion Performance solves this exact problem by transforming from a supportive, ergonomic rollator into a comfortable pushchair in a matter of seconds, ensuring you never have to sit out on family memories. The engineering of the performance model is specifically upgraded for rugged, outdoor adventures. Unlike standard models that feature hard plastic or solid rubber tires, this heavy-duty machine is equipped with large, pneumatic air-filled tires that act as natural shock absorbers. These tires, combined with vibration-dampening materials in the frame, cushion the user's hands, wrists, and body from the jarring impacts of walking over cobblestones, gravel paths, bumpy grass, or uneven dirt trails. The ergonomic handlebars are designed with an inverted layout, allowing for optimal hand placement that maximizes leverage and stability regardless of whether you are pushing the unit or being pushed by a companion. Transforming the device is an incredibly intuitive process that requires no specialized tools or strenuous lifting. When the walking user feels tired, you simply flip the backrest around, pull up the integrated footrests from the storage package, and adjust the handles to the appropriate height for the caregiver to take over pushing. The frame itself is crafted from high-grade materials that provide a rock-solid, rattle-free experience, giving the occupant total confidence in its structural integrity. It also features advanced drum brakes that work flawlessly in wet or dry conditions, ensuring safe descents down steep ramps or hilly park pathways. While the Rollz Motion Performance represents a significant financial investment, its modular, long-term adaptability justifies every penny for active families. It completely removes the anxiety of running out of energy while away from home, allowing seniors to push their physical boundaries safely, knowing a comfortable wheelchair state is always available. It is heavy compared to ultralight travel frames, but that weight translates directly into unparalleled durability and safety on challenging terrains. If you are looking for a premium, award-winning mobility solution that opens up the world without limitations, this hybrid marvel stands as an absolute triumph of modern design. 2. Trust Care, Let's Go Out Rollator. Reaching the runner-up spot at number 2, we highlight a stunning piece of Scandinavian design that prioritizes elegance, minimalism, and lightweight agility, the Trust Care, Let's Go Out Rollator. Originating from Sweden, this rollator is specifically crafted for seniors who value sophisticated aesthetics alongside flawless structural performance. Traditional walkers can sometimes feel industrial or clinical, but Trust Care completely reimagines the mobility aid as a fashionable lifestyle accessory. Featuring a beautifully slender aluminum frame, full leather accents, and hidden mechanics, it is arguably the most visually striking rollator on the market, appealing to users who want to maintain their personal style while securing extra balance support. Weight is one of the most critical factors for seniors who manage their mobility independently, and the Let's Go Out model excels here, weighing in at a mere 14 pounds. This featherlight construction makes it incredibly easy for older adults to lift the unit over door thresholds, pull it up onto curbs, or load it into a car trunk without assistance. Despite its light weight, the structural integrity of the frame is remarkably rigid, supporting a high weight capacity while maintaining a smooth, balanced stride. The handles are covered in a soft, comfortable rubber compound that provides an excellent grip while effectively insulating the user's hands from surface vibrations. The standout mechanical feature of this Swedish rollator is its advanced rear-wheel suspension system. Built directly into the frame near the rear axles, this rubber suspension absorbs shocks from rough pavements, ensuring a delightfully soft ride that minimizes fatigue in the arms and shoulders. The front wheels are large and designed to pivot effortlessly, giving the rollator an incredibly tight turning circle that is perfect for navigating crowded outdoor cafes or narrow city sidewalks. The brakes are elegantly integrated into the frame, operating via smooth, easy-to-use loops that lock with a satisfying and secure click when utilizing the built-in seat. The seat itself is made of a high-quality, durable faux leather that is completely water-resistant and easy to wipe clean, offering a comfortable and stylish place to rest during an afternoon stroll. Attached to the front is a matching, elegant transport bag that blends seamlessly into the design while providing ample space for personal items. The entire unit folds together sideways with a simple lift of the seat handle, locking into a compact form that stands independently for easy storage. The Trust Care Let's Go Out is the quintessential choice for urban seniors who want a lightweight, exceptionally smooth, and undeniably stylish companion for their daily outings. 1. Byacre Carbon Ultralight Rollator. Securing the coveted #1 spot as the definitive best rollator walker for seniors is the revolutionary Byacre Carbon Ultralight Rollator. For individuals seeking the absolute pinnacle of modern mobility technology, this award-winning masterpiece sets a historic standard that leaves traditional walkers far behind. Crafted from aerospace-grade carbon fiber, a material that is 5 times stronger than steel yet a fraction of the weight, this rollator is officially the lightest four-wheeled rollator in the world, weighing an astonishing 10.6 pounds. This groundbreaking reduction in weight completely transforms the daily lives of seniors, making the physical act of moving, lifting, and traveling feel completely effortless and liberating. The design language of the Byacre Carbon Ultralight is inspired by organic shapes and high-performance sports cars. Its forward-facing handles are ergonomically sculpted to mimic the natural posture of a walking human body, encouraging seniors to stand completely upright inside the frame rather than hunching over the rear wheels. This postural alignment significantly reduces stress on the lower back, neck, and hips, allowing users to walk further and with drastically less physical fatigue. The brake lines are completely hidden inside the carbon fiber tubes, preserving the ultra-clean, minimalist aesthetic while ensuring the user never snags a wire on external obstacles. Maneuverability with the Byacre is nothing short of breathtaking, as the ultra-lightweight frame responds instantly to the gentlest touch of the hands. It is equipped with soft, shock-absorbing wheels that roll silently over a vast array of surfaces, from indoor hardwood floors to outdoor gravel paths and uneven city streets. The carbon fiber frame possesses inherent material properties that naturally dampen vibrations, protecting sensitive, arthritic joints from the microshocks of daily walking. Despite its featherweight nature, the structural strength is immense, offering a highly stable platform and a comfortable canvas seat that allows users to rest securely whenever they need a break. Folding the Byacre Carbon Ultralight is a seamless, one-handed operation that takes less than 2 seconds. A gentle pull on the seat strap brings the sides together, transforming the rollator into a whisper-thin package that can be lifted into an overhead airplane bin, a car trunk, or a narrow closet with absolute ease. It represents an investment in total freedom, dignity, and uncompromised quality of life. By blending cutting-edge material science, ergonomic brilliance, and beautiful Danish design, the Byacre Carbon Ultralight stands unrivaled as the best overall rollator walker to help seniors maintain their independence with style.
Otro.
That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best rollator walkers for seniors. From the ultra-lightweight carbon fiber marvels to the heavy-duty all-terrain hybrids, there is a perfect option out there to match your unique lifestyle and mobility needs. Remember, investing in the right rollator is not just about choosing a walking aid. It is about reclaiming your independence, protecting your physical health, and staying connected to the people and places you love most. Take the time to measure your height, consider your daily environments, and speak with your doctor to find your perfect match. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone looking to step into the future with absolute confidence.